of you. So here I am, Ridhima from Sources Classes, and we are solving ACET June 2023 paper, right? So in front of you is question number 5, where we have to find out the coefficient of x to the power 5 in the expansion of the given term, that is x minus 1 by x to the power 15. So let us first recall the formula of this. So say this is our t plus r plus 1th term will be the expansion of the t r plus 1th term will be what we know. So this is say a, this is say b. So basically we will have, and n is 15, so 15c r first term, that is x to the power n minus r, so that is 15 minus r, and the second term minus 1 by x to the power r. Correct? So this is our r plus 1th term of the expansion. So from here we have to find out the coefficient of x to the power 5. Now in order to find out the coefficient of x to the power 5, we need to first one thing we can do is we can take the x values here, right? See, this is x to the power 15 minus r, and this is 1 by x to the power r, that is x to the power minus r. Correct? So what can we write down? 15cr x to the power 15 minus, this is x to the power minus r, this is also x to the power minus r, so minus 2r, and we have minus 1 to the power here. So that means we need the coefficient of x to the power 5. So in order to get the coefficient of x to the power 5, that means this power should be 5. Okay, so that means we have to solve 15 minus 2r is equals to 5. Correct? This is the power, this is the power. So 15 minus 2r is equal to 5. By comparing these two expressions. So this will yield what? 2r is equals to 10 and r is equals to 5. So r is 5. So now the coefficient of x to the power 5 is 15cr. So how much will be 15cr? That is 15c 5. Okay. So from the option it is very clear that we don't have to calculate the value of this. So we have 15c5. Yes. So answer is option A. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. So here we are given some logarithmic expression and we have to find out the value of x. तो फिर जल्दी से यहाँ पे हम लोग जो भी दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे इसको हम लोग किस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं? इसको हम लोग ये लिख सकते हैं 1 by log of this plus 1 by the 9 है, यानी कि twice log of this plus 27 है, यानी कि 3 cube. So 1 by 3 of log of its cube is equals to 11 by 3. हो गया. अब इसको एलसीएम लेंगे हम लोग, तो यहाँ नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? इसका पूरा जो एलसीएम अगर हम लोग लेंगे तो इसके नीचे ये 6 आएगा, और ऊपर अगर हम लोग एलसीएम लेंगे तो ये कितना आ जाएगा? आई मीन एलसीएम के वैल्यूज के बाद सी अच्छा यहाँ पे 6 log ऑफ दिस, राइट? तो अगर हम लोग ने यहाँ पे एलसीएम लिया और कैलकुलेट किया तो ऊपर क्या आएगा वैल्यू? देखिए 6 plus 3 9, sorry 6 plus 2, yes 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11, right? So this is 11 by 6 log is equals to 11 by 3, right? Now see 11 gets cancelled now. So from here we can write down log of this is equals to 6 by 3 is 2, right? Okay, now that means this is very clear from here. If we solve this, so that is root of x is equals to 3, right? So the value of x will be x square is equals to 9. Do we have 9? Yes. So C is the correct option. Okay. Now next one, 7. X and y are real if this is the conjugate of this, right? So that means x plus iy into 5 plus 4i is equals to minus 4 plus 12i, right? Okay. Second, write down x plus iy is equals to minus 4 plus 12i divided by 5 plus 4i, right? Now let us rationalize. So that is x plus iy is equals to minus 4 plus 12i into 5 minus 4i whole divided by, so what is this? A minus b whole square, so that is 25 minus 16, because I square is minus 1, right? So that means minus of 4 square is 16. So that is how we, so let us expand it here. So this is 25 plus 16 is 41, right? So we have x plus iy is equals to minus 20 minus 16i plus 60i minus 48i square. Okay, now and this is whole divided by 41. Now let us simplify this. If we simplify this, what do we get? Minus 20 and I square is minus 1, so minus minus plus 48. So minus 20 plus 48, right? That is 28, right? And this is 60 minus 16, that is, we have here 4. I'm sorry, this is minus 60, right? So here we have 6 and 7, 76. So minus 76i, right? Okay, so let us write it down more clearly. So after solving this, we have minus 20 plus 48, that is 28, and minus 16 minus 76i whole divided by 41. So that means the real value is 28 by 41. That is, I mean, the value of x will be 28 by 41 and that of y will be 76 by 41. So that is 28 by 41 and 76 by 41. So that is A. Okay. Now let us move on to the next question here. So here we are given first and third terms of a harmonic progressions 1 by 3 and 1 by 7. Okay, so generally if harmonic progression can be written as let us take 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, and so on, right? Now according to this options given, that is if this is 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 7, so I can write down A is equals to 3 and A plus 2D is equals to 7, because this is the first term, this is the third term, right? So from here this is very clear that if A is 3, so this is 4 by 2, so D is equals to 2. So I have the value of A and D, that is first term and the common difference. Now what we have to find out, then the sum of the 15 terms formed by reciprocal of HP. So first let us, what do we mean by reciprocal of HP? That will be reciprocal of HP will be AP series with A, A plus D, A plus 2D, and so on. Then that is A is 3, A plus 2D is 5, 7, and so on till 15 terms, right? So sum of 15, that is S15 is equals to how much? We know n by 2, that is 15 by 2. First term into difference, that is 3 into 2, plus n minus 1 will be 15 minus 1 into D, that is 2. Let us calculate. So 15 by 2 into 6 plus 14 into 2 is 28. So 15 by 2 into 6, this is 4. This is 34, 2 ones are 2, and this is 2 ones are 2, 14, 17. So 50 here is 255, and that is our option B. Okay, now let's move on to the next. We are given two quadratic equations, and the common root is alpha and mu is not equals to 0. So using these two conditions, I can write down, so these two quadratic equation is what? See, alpha square minus alpha plus 3 mu is equals to 0, and this one is 4 alpha square minus 5 alpha plus mu is equals to 0. Now if we want to eliminate mu, what can we do? We can multiply this equation with 3, right? So this becomes 12, this becomes 15, and this there we will have 3. So this is 15 alpha square minus sorry, this is 12, right? This is 4, so yeah, this is 12. 12 alpha square minus 15 alpha plus mu is equals to 0 into 3, right? So now let us eliminate this. Here we have 3. So this gets cancelled. Here we have minus 11 alpha square, and this one is plus 14 alpha is equals to 0. Okay. Now let us take alpha as common. So we have 14 minus 11 alpha is equals to 0. Now here see, if alpha is equals to 0, okay, if alpha is equals to 0, it will imply that mu is equals to 0. From this equation, this is very clear. If alpha is equals to 0, this will imply that mu is also equals to 0. But mu cannot be equal to 0. So that is why the next possible answer is 11. Alpha is equals to 11 by 14. That is why the correct answer is alpha is equals to 11 by 14, which is option number B. Okay, option B. Okay, so let us have a look at the next question, number 10. So in this we are given a table, and we are given x and the corresponding phi x values for three different values of x, right? Now, so we have to calculate the value of phi for x is equals to 1.05. So this type of question can be solved by using the interpolation method. Now, so first of all, what we have to find out? We have to find out for the value of x is equals to 1.05. So x is equals to 1.05 lies between these two values. So this is the x here, and I have to find out the value that lies here, right? That is phi of 1.05. So then using the method of interpolation, then we can write down the formula as this is x minus 1.0 by phi x. So corresponding value is phi x minus corresponding value is 0.8413. This is equals to, now the interval, that is 1.1 minus 1.0 by the corresponding values, that is 0.8643 minus 0.8413. Okay, let us solve. So here we will get x minus 1.0 by phi of x minus 0.8413 is equals to, so this is 0.1 by this is 3 cut, gets cancelled, this is 3, this is 4 and 6 is 2, this is 0, 0, so 0.023. Okay, now so from here what can we write down is x minus 0.8413 is equals to x minus 1.0, see, into 0.023 by 0.1, right? And now we can take this to the other side, that is, right, that is phi x is equals to now 0.8413 plus x minus 1.0 by 0.1 into 0.023. Now what we have to find out? 1.05. Okay, so that is phi of 1.05 is equals to 0.8413 plus 1.05 minus 1.0 by 0.1 into 0.02. Okay, now if we take this dot here, so we will have 0.0023. Okay, so that is phi of 1.05 is equals to 0.8413 plus this is how much, this is 50.0, okay, 005 into 0.0023. Okay, so if we solve, if we calculate, then the answer will be 0.8525. That is option C.